In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a wiki in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean searchable hub that makes it easy to organize knowledge and find it fast. First, let's create the foundation. In your Notion sidebar, add a new page and keep it blank. This will be the container for your wiki. Give it a clear, memorable title so people know exactly what it's for the moment they see it in the sidebar. Keeping the page blank at this stage is helpful because it lets Notion apply the wiki layout cleanly in the next step. Now, turn this page into a wiki. Look to the top right of the page for the three-dot menu. Click it, then select Turn into Wiki. With a single click, Notion does the heavy lifting. You'll notice a search bar appear right at the top, along with a home view and an all pages view. The page also switches to full width, which gives your content more breathing room and reduces scrolling. Here is what those built-in pieces mean for you. The search bar is your quick shortcut to anything inside the wiki. It saves time when you know a keyword or title. The home view is your landing page. Think of it as the front door to your most important links or sections. The All Pages view is an automatically generated index of everything that lives inside the wiki, making it easy to browse or scan when you are not sure where something lives. With the structure in place, it's time to add content. Create subpages for your main topics. Using the /page command or add pages directly inside the wiki. Start broad and keep names concise so they're easy to scan. For example, you might create subpages for processes, product info, or onboarding, whatever categories make sense for your workspace. Once you've added a few, organize the home view using headings to group related links and sections. Headings create clear visual anchors so people can quickly understand how the wiki is laid out. To make scanning even faster, use columns to present information side by side. For instance, you could place quick links in one column and recently updated content in another. Columns reduce vertical scrolling and help surface what matters most at a glance. As you build, keep things consistent. Use the same heading levels, similar naming patterns, and logical groupings so the wiki stays intuitive as it grows. That's it. You've created a Notion wiki. Turned on the built-in structure and organized it with subpages, headings, and columns. Keep iterating as your content expands, and your wiki will remain a reliable source of truth. Thanks for watching.